Now to the coronavirus here in the U.S. and the alarming numbers. New cases now rising by at least 10% in at least 20 states. And President Biden, of course, now saying 200 million shots in his first 100 days. Pfizer tonight starting a new trial on young children. One research doctor calling it, quote, a big step toward herd immunity in this country. The numbers tonight, 87,092,000 people have received at least one dose. That's more than 33% of adults now. Also tonight, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo under fire again, this time accusations that he put his own family at the front of the line for COVID testing early on in this pandemic. The governor's response tonight. Here's ABC's Victor Kendo now.
Tonight, as the country tops 30 million cases of the coronavirus, infections are on the rise. In 20 states, case averages are climbing more than 10% in the last week.
She's going to count for me, okay?
2, 3.
It comes as Pfizer is starting to test its vaccine on younger children ages 5 to 11.
5, 6, 7.
The first participants, 9-year-old twins Marisol and Alejandra Gerardo. Their mother is an infectious disease doctor.
As a parent, where your number one job is keeping your kids safe and healthy, it honestly was just really reassuring to know that they may be getting some level of immunity there.
Researchers say it's a critical step in getting this country to herd immunity reached after roughly 80% of Americans are vaccinated.
Children make up a significant proportion of our population. So in trying to achieve herd immunity, it really is important that we are able to include children in vaccination programs.
Today, AstraZeneca, the fourth vaccine maker, expected to seek emergency authorization from the FDA, updating its trial results after being accused of using outdated data. The company now says its vaccine is 76% effective against symptomatic disease, 3% less than earlier reported, and the vaccine remains 100% effective against severe disease and hospitalization.
This is a fabulous vaccine, safe and effective. But I wish the company had just done a better job of communicating those results.
At least 32 states are expanding vaccine access for everyone 16 and older by the president's May 1st deadline. In California, 32 million people will have the green light by April 15th.
There's not just light at the end of the tunnel, there's bright light at the end of the tunnel.
Some encouragement there today, Victor. The other pandemic-related headline, accusations involving New York Governor Andrew Cuomo that he gave members of his own family and other influential people a priority for COVID testing in the early days of the pandemic. His response?
David, the embattled governor is facing some tough questions after reports that he gave his family and others access to government-run tests at a time when the average person really couldn't get one. The governor saying that in those early days of the pandemic, they were focused on contact tracing and stopping the spread of the virus. David?
All right, Victor Kendo on the pandemic for tonight. Victor, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.